Hello guys, welcome to our channel Education with Sri Vidya. In this video, we'll discuss about Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which argues with 5 stages. Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of human needs. There are 5 stages in this. The first one is physiological stage, the second one is safety, third one is love and belonging, the fourth one is esteem, and the fifth one is self actualization. Let us discuss in detail. Stage 1, physiological stage. In the physiological stage, these are the basic needs of the humans. We breathe, we eat, sleep or drink, a house, clothing, food. So these are the basic needs of the human. So in which the humans needs to be satisfied with this physiological needs, basic needs which we live. So next, if the humans satisfy with the physiological needs, then the humans will go to the safety needs. In the safety needs, the humans earn money, build up the resources, and the protect about dangers, employment, personal security, resources, their health. So all this the humans need to look over, because when he wants to live in this society, he needs to earn some money. When the humans feel satisfied in this, then they move to the next level. The third level is love and belonging. So the humans will be very close to the family and to the friends, and he belongs to the society. He make a gang, and he wish to the next level of the society. And once he gather all the information of friends, family and society, he mingles with the society, then he goes for the next level, which is of esteem level, stage 4. In this level of esteem, the self-confidence and respect from the peers has been developed. If we have money, we can buy a watch. He feels that, the human psychology feels that we can buy a watch, we can buy a mobile phones. He has that bungalow, we can build it. Like this, some sort of motivation will be developed in this stage. And coming to the fifth stage, self actualization. So there is no pressure on it. So if he want to desire, he can become the most one he can be. So now he can relax, he can arrange everything whatever he want. Now he has fulfilled all the 4 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4 and stage 5. Now he has got everything. He has filled the physiological needs, safety, love and esteem, and last comes to the self actualization level. Now if you like this video, hit on the like button. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.